This just in, there's an angry mob of obese people angry about their recent incredible weight gain. They're fat, and the king is to blame. John?
Thank you, Jared. Jared, we're coming to you live from where a crowd of seemingly obese people have rioted the town. Now, as you can see behind me here, we have these cows on a rampage. Why do I call them cows? Because they eat a lot of beef. President Obama spoke about this earlier, and he did not want to hear anything to do with obese people. Quoting, "I hate those fat mother effers." An F because they eat a lot of fish. Who's to blame for all the rioting? Could it be the Burger King King? It seems at 5 p.m. exactly, Standard Eastern Time, the Burger King King came out and gave a speech. In it, he said, "Fat people are the big ones, the biggest in the land. We should riot together and take charge." Most people could not hear what he had to say due to the fat in their ears. However, that is what he said. Back to you, Jared.
Thank you, John. That's a hell of a story. Jesus Christ. Now, let's go to John, who is now in the studio somehow with the weather.
All right, and we're back with the weather. As you can see over here to the north, we're going to have sunny skies and blue fluffy clouds. Down here, however, you will see hell on earth. Run. Go elsewhere. Seek shelter. It is your only hope.
Boy, it seems like we've been experiencing hell for a while. When will this end?
Well, funny you ask. Never!
Damn.
Very good.
Let's move on to sports. We're being joined by our sports expert, John Cost.
Hey, guys, thanks. It's been really a blast listening to your show so far.
John.
Yeah, what's up?
I was just introducing you for the weather. You didn't let me finish.
You mean the sports? I don't do the weather here.
Yes.
Anyway, in the sports today, we noticed our home team reaching the playoffs and then blowing it. Just damn blowing it.
Can you say that on national TV?
I wasn't talking about a blow jaw.
There's at least 50 million people watching this, and I'm pretty sure you've offended at least a quarter.
I hate blind people.
Blind people most likely are not watching the show, so that's fine. I also hate the blind.
Damn Jews.
It's just an excuse to take a dog into a building.
That may be so. However, I don't like the Jews.
Nobody does.
They don't even like themselves.
Very good job on the sports. It's a shame that the home team blew it again. They seem to be blowing it a lot.
Man, they really blew it. I mean, like,
Big time.
excuse me.
Are you done?
Where are you?
They blew it.
It's going to turn off again.
That's the... Be better. You're my shot.